Hi, my name is Ismail Sherry, a global shaper of the Port-au-Prince Hub. I've learned computer science. That's mean that I have a background in information technology, especially in web technologies, web application development. You are working to improve the state of the world when you are taking action in your community while having a global vision on how this action can be replicated in some other area of the globe that might have the same problem. HaitiEduConnect is an e-learning platform, a learning management system that is addressing a problem that we have in Haiti, which is a high gap in terms of performance and success between students that go to public schools and students that go to private school. As the project is both technological and educational, I've developed partnership with people in the educational sector in Haiti so that we can see how we can provide interactive content that will come from the top teachers of Haiti so that the student can have access to the same level of education. The desired outcome is to see a higher rate of students succeeding at national exam, and especially at the Haitian Baccalauréat, which is the last test that a student have to pass to get access to get graduated from high school. Better educated our children are, better citizens they will be for the world tomorrow.